Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, my Panda Peter. Okay guys, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to disable the Windows 10 update from downloading permanently. Uh, as you all know, like most technology these days, Windows updates are automatic. The basis of this is that developers really love the software they design, and they don't exactly have faith that end users will perform the update themselves. Automatic updates were implemented to make your life easier while keeping your system operating smoothly. An improperly timed automatic update can really cause a headache, whether the update causes problems and glitches with your PC or it initiates while you are working. Although disabling the Windows 10 update isn't permanent unless you are disconnected from the internet, there are a few ways that you can temporarily disable the Windows update. Let's get to the video. So I'm going to show you how to disable your Windows 10 update. There are three ways which I'm going to start right now. First of all, let's go to our search, so that we are going to search for settings. Okay, after searching for settings, you enter. After entering your settings, what you are going to check is this you are going to check on the update and security. Click on it. So guys, from here you are going to go to the advanced options, where you are going to toggle off all auto update settings. So as you can see, downloads updates over metered connection. You now click on toggle it off. You restart the device, toggle this off, show notification, you also toggle this off. You have to toggle everything off here. You now go back. So guys, the second place where you are going to turn off auto updates is in your services. This is the main place. Whenever you toggle off your auto updates, you toggle it off from your services. That's all. You don't even need to toggle it off from that settings of a place. So you now search services. As you can see, this is it. You now click on open. You now open your services. After opening your services, you now toggle down. You search for auto update. You search for update. So you just go down. As you can see, this is it. As you can see, my update is running and it's triggered manually. So I will double click on it. It's going to give me some options over here. You now click on that manually, you toggle it to disable, and you can see the service status running. You now toggle stop here. It's going to load. After loading, you are going to apply these settings. So guys, whenever you do these things, you have successfully turned off auto updates on your laptop. You have no problem with automatic updates, which if you want the auto update to start again, you are going to follow same procedure where you are going to on everything back. Instead of toggling it off, you are going to toggle it on now. So guys, I hope what I did here was helpful to you. Thank you for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell to receive more updates from us. Thank you guys.